Good evening, everybody. I am Snehal Patil, the management lead of the Google Developer Students Club. I would like to extend my warm welcome to all of you who have gathered here for the 30 Days of Cloud program introduction session. Firstly, I would like to congratulate you all on successfully enrolling for this intriguing program and getting the opportunity to experience hands on practice with Quick Labs on the Google Cloud platform. So today, Abhishek, the GDSC lead, will be telling you everything you need to know about the program and Quick Labs. And at the end, we will be open to taking up all your questions. So you feel free to ask your questions at that time. So let's get started. Over to you, Abhishek.
Yeah, sure, Snehal. So, hope my skill screen is visible. So, hey everyone, welcome to 30 Days of Google Cloud program. So, let's start with the session then. Let's quickly discuss about the session's agenda. So, we will be discussing about the scopes and opportunity in Google Cloud, and then we will be introducing you to 30 Days of Google Cloud program, and we will be discussing about the training platform called Quick Labs. Then we will see the timeline of the program, and we will also check out the rewards you will be getting in this program after completing different skill batches and quests. Then we will be finally taking up some quick Q&As from your side. So so wait till the end. So now let's introduce you to 30 days of Google Cloud program. So you will be gaining a hands-on experience, and you can prove your in-demand skills and share your accomplishment with your network, and also you can share them on your resumes as well. So then you can also share hashtag Google Cloud hashtag 30 days of cloud on social media, posting your skill batches and the reward you have earned to show your skills to your networks. Then let's discuss about the content of the program that we have in 30 days of Google Cloud. So there are two tracks. First is the cloud engineering track, and second we have data science and machine learning track. So let's check out each in one by one. So first we have the track one, that is cloud engineering track. In that we have total six skill batches, and in the track two, that is data science and machine learning track, we have six skill batches. There is one thing that you need to note, that is the getting started with create and manage Google Cloud resources. This skill batch is common in both the track, that is track 1 and track 2. So in total you need to do this six skill batches and 5 in this. So total you have 11 skill batches that you need to complete in order to get the specific milestone prizes. So this is how your skill batch looks like after completing those quests. So you can show off your skills by earning all of them. So now let's check out the schedule and the timeline of this campaign. So firstly, we have actually, you might have registered on 22nd. So this is what the campaign will be going on from 27 September to 27 October, and the campaign will be ending on 27 October. After that, you will be getting mails and forms for uh, to all the eligible participants to confirm your goodies, and your goodies will be dispatched on 27 November. This is a tentatively date, so not fixed yet. So you can consider approximately around this date you will be your goodies will be dispatched. So now let's check out the rewards you will be getting after completing your uh, skill batches or the tracks. So if you complete the track 1 or track 2 that we have earlier discussed, you will be getting this goodies. So any one of the tracks. So you have six quests and skill batches in the track 1, and similarly six in track 2. Then if you complete the both, which total consist of 11 skill batches, you will be getting this goodies. And yeah, if you complete any one or both of them, you will be getting certificate accordingly. So yeah, you will be getting certification along with these goodies. So now let's navigate to this program link, where all the details regarding the program is mentioned. So let's check that out. So this is what program links looks like. So this is the program syllabus that you need to complete. So let's check out the first one. So this is how your skill batch will look like after completing this quest. So there are approximately 5 to 7 quests in 5 to 7 labs in one specific quest. So that will vary according to different quest and skill batches. So there should be a green tick after you complete each lab. So even if you get 98 out of 100, that is not considered to be completed. This is some query that come up regularly. So yeah, that is something that you need to note. Then let's go to the first lab, that is the tool lab that you might have already done in the while redeeming your subscription. So let's see how this Google Cloud platform looks like. So you need to click start lab, and also here are the instructions that you need to follow in order to complete this labs. There will be different labs, and they will be instructing you how to do these labs. And yeah, this is optional to do. You can skip this. So let's open this. So here are some temporary email IDs and passwords that you will be needing, and this is the project ID that you might need in some of the labs. Here you need to like enter your password. Yeah, then click accept. So this is how the Google Cloud platforms looks like, and here is your project ID. So every time you log into this Google Cloud platform, you need to agree this agreement, and after completion of this lab, all the data will be deleted. So there is an agreement for that. So every time you do end lab, all the details will be, all the tasks you have done will be deleted automatically. So this is something you need to note. Then this is what Google Cloud platform looks like, and you will be working on this. You can actually create a VM instance. Then you will be sometimes need to go to clusters, Kubernetes. So we will not be discussing this in detail, but I will be telling you some of the important things that you need to know. So this is what we called a cloud shell. So you need to run all the commands here, and yeah, this is something important that you need to know for running the commands. So there are some specific labs that are only based on commands. So uh, whole lab will be done on this terminal, that is Google Cloud Shell. So yeah, this will take some time. Yeah, so let's uh, see how you can actually solve them in case you don't get a any help at the same time. You can just copy this lab name, and you can go to the YouTube, and you will be seeing like lots of videos on the same. Like I recommend you to go with Andre Soga. Like he has made all the videos and are 100% working. So yeah, you can go to that. And also I have made some of the uh, like challenge labs code. So these are some of the specific code that are only based on codes and commands, and not other than that. So you can also check them out. And for the tool lab, you can just see, you can just copy this command and just paste on the terminal. Yeah, so it's that easy. So this repository is made just for that, to copy and paste the command. So I think you have got that, and after completing this all the tasks, you can end this lab. So after you end this lab, all the data, that all the things you have done will be deleted. But yeah, you will get a green tick here after completing that quest. Now let's see the profile. So this is how your quick lab profile looks like, and this from here the Google Cloud will be tracking your progress, so you can check out like different skill batches that you have earned. So these are some of the skill batches that I have earned throughout these different programs. So yeah, you can earn them all and also share them on social media to show off your skills. And yeah, now let's also, one thing that you need to note is like how you can reach out to uh, Google or the quick lab to for the support. So you can go to like here chat support. You can go here and like register or discuss with them regarding your queries. In case you have done with 5 times the specific lab and your quota is exceeded, you can go there and renew your quota. So they will help you regarding any of, or in case you have stuck anywhere, you can just contact them and you they will be clearing all your queries and also be giving some solutions to that specific problems. So you can reach out to the chat support here. Yeah, and now let's take up some queries. So in case you have any queries, like Ashutosh will be giving you access, you can come up and ask those queries, or you can put them on chat as well. Yeah, in case you need to ask any queries, you can put them on chat. Yeah, and also Snail will be bringing them up. So feel free to put them.
So here we have some questions in the chat box, Abhishek. Sumit is asking what to do after getting all the skill badges.
So you can also share them on social media, and basically you will need to complete all these skill batches so that they can track. So after completing all the skill batches, uh, your all the skill batches are completed and there is nothing to complete more. You just need to wait till you get the uh, like completion confirmation mail from the Google that will be sent after 27 October. So you need to wait for the same.
Okay. Next, some people are asking when will be the certificate, when the certificate will be provided.
So after the goodies are dispatched, that is after 27 November, the certificate will be provided at the same time. So you need to wait for that. The next question.
Next, Chinam asks, I'm being asked for a token to start few labs. How do I do those labs?
Okay, so basically, I think you haven't got the subscription. So firstly, you need to check the mail that you have got through the Google Cloud team, and then take the subscription and use the subscription. Uh, Apart from that token, that tokens are uh, used when you don't get the subscription. So in case you have registered for the program, you will be getting a mail from Google Cloud team, and you can just register, you can just redeem your subscription and start doing the labs.
Okay, then next, Sakshi is asking if I've already done a part of quests before enrolling for 30 days of Google Cloud, then will those be considered or we have to complete it again?
So basically, in case you have completed the labs, it is totally fine. But in case you have completed a whole quest and skill batches and you have got that on your profile, so nothing can be done for that, and that won't be counted in this program. So basically, you are not eligible for the program in case any quest or skill batches that you have gained before the program. In case you have completed some labs, labs are totally fine, no issue with labs. So doing it again won't be helpful as it won't be tracked, as the skill batches you have on is been provided before the program, and the skill batches will be counted that you have completed after the program. So in case you have done even a single quest or a skill batch, that won't count in any of the tracks. So yeah, accordingly you can check your progress and start your journey. Yeah, next.
Okay, so the next question we have is, Sir, I started doing the labs, but in the first quest, the last lab got stuck. The cloud shell was not opening. So I
Yeah,
restarted it, but for restarting it, it was asking 5 credits.
okay. So basically, yesterday there was an issue with Cloud Shell. So, and regarding the 5 credits, I think you haven't took the subscription yet. So you need to actually get the subscription first, and then, because in case you have a subscription, then they won't be asking for an credit. You will be getting an option for use subscription every time. So you need to get a subscription first, then start doing labs. And if you are talking about the Cloud Shell, so yesterday there was an issue with Cloud Shell. So yeah, it was an issue with everyone, so it has been resolved, I guess, now.
Okay. Next, Preet is asking, can we add those skill badges in the resume?
Yeah, surely you can add those skill batches on your resume. Yeah, you can add them on certification sections. Also you can share them on social media platform as well, so that recruiters or people on your network can see those skill batches as well.
Okay, so Tanma is asking, I want to explore more in the field of Google Cloud. Is there any resource available which I can refer and learn apart from Quick Labs?
Okay, so basically there is a program called Google Cloud Readiness Program. Uh, Last year it was there. If you complete 30 days of cloud, you get a career readiness program. So in that program, you get a specialization course from Google Cloud. In that you get a full detailed course from Google Cloud experts regarding the Google Cloud platforms. But apart from that, there is only way you can learn is the Quick Labs. And apart from that, there are courses out there on different platforms that you can check out. But if you are talking about the official Google Cloud courses and the programs, so there are two programs, that is hashtag Google Cloud Ready, and second is 30 days of Google Cloud, and a career readiness program. In that you get a course. In that course you get a specialization course on Coursera, so you can complete all those courses and watch the video and learn the Google Cloud uh, from the Google Cloud experts. So that are the three options for officially from Google Cloud, and you can check out different courses on other platforms, learning platforms. Yeah.
Okay. Then next, someone is asking, after starting the lab, I have some doubts in the given task instruction where I can refer and solve my doubts.
Okay, so basically you can just reach out to me in case you have doubts regarding the task. But in case you have any, you are stuck at any point and you have issue with completing those lab, you can go onto YouTube and search that lab and complete those labs. But in case there is a genuine uh, thing that is going on with 2 to 3 people, you can go to the chat support and like get help from there. You can always reach out to chat support first, and in case you have a query regarding the task, you are not able to solve that, you can check out the videos on YouTube.
Okay, so someone is asking, is this certificate useful while I apply for masters?
Yeah, definitely. In case there is a official clouds Google Cloud program certification, that will be helping. But what the weightage it has depends upon uh, for what you are applying. So you can actually find that by yourself, I guess. That will be more beneficial than uh, I telling you.
Someone is asking, can I deploy my college project on Google Cloud?
Yeah, I guess on Google Cloud, it you get 300 free credits on the Google Cloud website. you can use that and make a small project. But in case you are looking for good project that you need to pay some amount for that, and that may cost, it's not free. Only for the quick labs, that is a training platform, you get some credits and you will learn about that. But in case you want to uh, like deploy on your project, then definitely you have 300 free credits, but that just for promotional, that won't be much helpful. But you can deploy a small project on that. Apart from that, you need to pay according to the resources that you use. Yeah.
Okay, so here Sakshi Zada was adding to the previous question that I took the subscription, still it demanded 5 credits, and I faced that problem today itself.
Okay, in case you are demanded with 5 credits, then you can use subscription in that case, I guess. uh, or you can reach out to me personally with the screenshots, so that we can relate to that problem. Yeah, that would be more
Okay, so
beneficial. You can just send me the screenshots of that.
Manthan is asking if we find some problem and we ask to Google Cloud Facilitator, then they just see our message and doesn't
Yeah.
provide any help. So please help us when we need.
Okay, so basically I am the facilitator, so I guess in case you are under me, I definitely reply all the messages. So yeah, I guess in case you are part of some another DSCs, or you have selected some other colleges apart from us, then yeah, definitely that uh, the issue from their side, you can definitely reach out to us.
Yes, so don't worry, Manthan. We will definitely help you. And there are so many students to deal with, so unintentionally, you
Yeah,
know, it is
it will
not
take some
possible to
time
take up all the
to reply.
questions. So don't worry. Yeah. Someone is saying terminal not working.
Yeah, in case it's an issue with the Google Cloud platform that it's not working, you can definitely reach out to the chat support. As I told, at the right hand corner at the top, there is a chat support option. You can go there and uh, resolve that issue. But in case there can be one more thing, that is authentication issue, that you might not be using that opening that lab on the incognito mode. So you just check out once by going to incognito mode and starting uh, that lab. So there can be an authentication issue because you are using your Google account and also a temporary account that is given during that lab. So there will be two accounts. So there can be an authentication issue. So you can resolve by yourself by going to incognito mode. And in case there is a issue apart from after doing that, you can go to the chat support. They will be helping you.
Okay, next Sonal is asking, is this query program again arranged after 1 week?
Yeah, in case it's an on demand, we can actually schedule this. But yeah, it totally depends. In case the people are interested in taking up that, you can reach out to me, or only some interested people can we will be taking a session from for those students. But we haven't planned a session, but we will be planning soon in case there is a demand on that. Or in case you have any some people have queries and they reach out to me, we can take a session for those students only. Yeah, we will be telling you accordingly.
Okay, next Tanma is asking, can you tell us what all role does a facilitator have and how can one be a facilitator for his or her college?
So basically, it depends upon the program. So which program you are participating. If you are talking about the hashtag Google Cloud Ready program, you can fill a form that we have provided earlier, and also we will be providing after the uh, pro program is ended. So we will be providing the form to the hashtag Google Cloud Ready facilitator. But there are so many applications, so it's really important that your application is strong. And regarding the 30 days of Google Cloud program, it's a DSC program that will be scheduled next year same time. So you need to actually contact, you need to have a DSC in your college, and you need to contact that DSC lead. uh, in case there is an opportunity, he will let you know. Also, you can check out these queries regarding how you can be a facilitator that are mentioned on the website of 30 days of Google Cloud program, where your prizes and skill batches are there. In FAQs, the first question is the same: how can you be the facilitator for your college? So you can uh, check out that. So every time there is a question regarding how you can be a facilitator or mentor for your college, you can every time check out the program link from the Google event and go to FAQs, and there will be a question like how you can be a facilitator, and you can check out that. And sometimes there are forms and you can fill that. Sometimes they don't provide if there are some other ways to enroll in to that program.
Okay, so last question. How many total labs are there of both the programs? And can I start labs after 5th of October?
So yeah, no issue. Just take the subscription first. In case there is no issue afterwards for redeeming the subscription, you can just firstly take the subscription and you can start anytime. So there is no issue. In case you complete in just 2 days, that's not an issue. Even if you start late, that is after 15 or anytime, just you can complete and you will be getting rewards for that. It is not that first come first serve basis. In case you complete the quest, you will be definitely getting those uh, rewards and the tracks. Yeah, we can actually plan a session next week in case there is a demand from your side. If people from the group reach out to us regarding this type of things, like uh, for a query session, we will be planning it. But as of now, like there is no such plans.
Okay,
Okay,
Chinnam
so
is asking, can you show how to get the subscription?
So basically, we have made a video on how to redeem your subscription. So you can check out that. Also, in case you are not able to get subscription through that video, uh, you can try using another browser. Yeah, so Ashutosh has already like put that video. You can check out that video and redeem your subscription. In case you are not able to get even after following this, you can do is uh, like if you are doing on Chrome, you can switch off to Microsoft Edge or Brave and any other different browsers, and then you can go to incognito mode and perform that. So sometimes there are some authentication issues, so sometimes you might not get the subscriptions. You can go to some another browser and follow the same step, and you will be getting. Yeah, so any more questions you can just put out.
That's it, Abhishek. I think I have gone through all the questions, but still, if I've missed anything, you can put it again in the chat box.
Yeah, so let's wait for a few more questions then, I guess. Yeah, you can also reach out to me if you have more quiz on. You can DM me, but try to like put those queries on group first and then DM it, because it will take some time to answer those, as there are so many queries. Yeah, if all the queries are done, then we can just end this session.
Yes, no more queries. Okay, thank you everyone for connecting with us. And good luck for the 30 days journey you all will be taking. So yes, thank you. We end the session.